Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp gumbo. First, let's start with the roux, which is the heart of any great gumbo. You'll need to combine equal parts fat, like vegetable oil, and all-purpose flour in a heavy-bottomed pot. Cook this mixture over medium-low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes, stirring constantly. The goal is a rich, chocolate brown color, which develops that deep, nutty flavor we all love. Once your roux is ready, it's time to build more flavor with the holy trinity of Cajun cooking. Add 1 cup of chopped onion, 1/2 cup of celery, and 1/2 cup of bell pepper to the pot. Sauté these aromatics until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, slowly whisk in 6 to 8 cups of hot seafood or chicken stock, ensuring a smooth, lump-free base for your delicious gumbo. Now for the star of the show, the shrimp. Add 1 1/2 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp to your simmering gumbo. Be careful not to overcook them. They only need about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they turn pink and opaque. This is also the perfect time to season your gumbo generously with about 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, along with salt and black pepper to taste, ensuring every bite is flavorful. To allow all those wonderful flavors to fully develop, let your gumbo simmer gently for at least 20 minutes. Before serving, remember to remove any bay leaves you might have added. Ladle the hot, rich gumbo over a bed of fluffy white rice. For a final touch, garnish each bowl with fresh chopped green onions or parsley. Enjoy your homemade, comforting bowl of shrimp gumbo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.